Hey guys, this is Sean here. We're out here at Ijams in Knoxville, Tennessee today, doing our first hike of hopefully many. My friend Dave here down from Tallahassee, FSU student for meteorology. So we're gonna go hit the Tower Trail. We're going to walk down to the Tennessee River, record the events of our first hike, and see how things go. Hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, it's nice out here. Nice and quiet.
Yeah. It's a little warm, but...
Yeah. Yeah, it is 91 today, so it's...
We're in the shade, though.
Yeah, a little bit warm for what I like. Thought moving out of Florida to Tennessee I'd get away from that, but I think it followed me.
I think like the low 70s is what I would prefer.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Check that out.
Dude, that's awesome. Now, who made it?
I don't know. We need to look that in, or if anybody,
Make that?
yeah, if anybody knows who made that.
Nice lean-to, put some
Yeah, a little shelter, huh?
shelter, yeah, man.
That's pretty cool.
Storm, man.
Yeah, the thing's pretty big.
Can I go sideways?
Yeah. Watch me in the phone.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Yeah, it looks a lot worse than it was. It is muggy. Hey guys, so we decided to come off the Tower Trail and we're going to hit the river trail here at Ijams. A little bit of boulder scrambling, goes down to the Tennessee River and then goes out over a boardwalk over the river. Really cool, so we're going to show that to you guys, and here we go. So just a little playground. Yeah, it's a little damp. Don't fall backwards. Yeah, Lisa and I were amazed coming through this first time.
This is cool, man. It's like going to Pennsylvania when I was a kid.
Big, big boulders. Beautiful day to be on the water.
So you can go on part of it?
Yeah, you can go all the way to where it goes up the other side before it ends. You in the Tennessee River? People out there enjoying the water on a hot July day here in Knoxville. There again, you can see the push of the rock all the way up.
Holy cow.
Watch where you're walking.
Lost my balance for a second.
So we're hoping this spot will be fixed
What happened?
so we can enjoy it. What I heard in May is that due to the heavy rains and erosion,
Landslide?
yeah, the trails are damaged and not safe. So they have asked us to not go any further on this trail here. So we will turn around and go back the other way. You can. We'll go back up this rock trail. It does warn you steep steps ahead. Pretty fun little hike. Good little leg workout.
It is, I get some cardio going too.
Yeah. Pretty crowded today on the water. Nice swimming area. We are once again climbing. Nice little overlook here. Looking back down on the water.
What is this called?
Tharp Trace, I think. Tharp Trail. This is Ijams Quarry, though.
Ijams Quarry.
Yeah.
Now, see, when I hear the word brutal, I'm thinking I need to put my hands in
No.
that's what I think brutal.
Cardio brutal.
Okay.
Yeah.
Makes steep sounds really bad. Cardio good.
Yeah.
You're doing fine.
Okay.
The more I do this, the more I get used to it.
Yeah.
I feel it in the legs, like you said.
You have like a Stairmaster at the gym.
Oh yeah.
So Fat Boy's dying right now, but want to share with you guys this overlook up here. You'll see the quarry down at the bottom that you saw earlier, and then you'll see the parking lot, and off in the distance you can see Mount LeConte over in the Smoky Mountains. Really breathtaking view, so we'll share that with you guys now. Probably not supposed to go on the other side of this. Do not do this at home. There's the quarry. Off in the distance, the mountain way off in the distance is Mount LeConte. Smoky Mountains out there. Well, check this out.
What's that?
Stanton Cemetery. 1932.
Rubber baby. I hope there's no roast there.
We have to do an investigation. Born in 1871.
Wow.
That's crazy. Up here in the middle of nowhere. Oh, watch where you're walking, Sean. So this is it for us for today. We enjoyed the trail, a little hot, but we made it back. I think we did close to 5 miles between the two trails, and we want to invite you to like and subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And we want to give a special thank to my friend Dave for coming along on the hike with us, and hope you'll come back and join us again.
Yeah, definitely. You can check out, I'm a student meteorologist at Florida State University. You can also check out FSU Weather on Twitter and Facebook, and also on YouTube, and find the latest updates for the Tallahassee area as well as the nation.